In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company name on Indeed. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Indeed.com. Using Chrome can help make sure the site loads smoothly and that all buttons and menus appear the way you expect. Once the homepage opens, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Employer or Post Job. This will take you to the employer side of Indeed, where account and company details can be managed. From there, sign in to your employer account. Make sure you're using the correct account that has permission to access company settings, since not every login may have editing rights. If you manage more than one company or account, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that you're entering the right workspace before making any changes. After you're signed in, go to the top header and find your account profile icon. Click on that icon to open the account menu. In the drop-down options, select Company Settings. This section is where your organization's business information can be reviewed and updated, so it's the right place to make changes to how your company appears on the platform. Once you're inside company settings, look for your current company name. Next to it, click Edit. This opens the option to update the company name associated with your employer account. At this stage, make sure the name you enter matches the name you want displayed and follows your company's preferred branding or official business naming format. Taking an extra second here can help avoid mistakes and keep your profile consistent across job postings. After making the change, review the updated company name carefully before moving on. Small spelling differences, extra spaces, or formatting issues